Morning everyone, it's the 27th of December and we have had late mornings lately because we've had late nights. Actually last night we had an early night. We were so exhausted from walking around at the zoo and it was just such a rainy day. It was so cold. Siosi's being so lazy. He's had more hours sleep than me put together and he's still sleeping.
Hi everyone, I'm still sleeping because I'm tired.
He's being so lazy. I keep having to wake him up and I'm like, you just had a 10-hour nap. What more sleep can you want?
I want 5 hours only.
What day is it, honey? It's Tuesday today. And it's the 27th, so some of the shops should be open, but for breakfast we had nothing. It's about past lunchtime actually, it's almost 4 o'clock and I've just spent the full day trying to edit the video because it was just like so choppy and changey. We had a few from the zoo and just it's so manual, honestly. We just need our camera as soon as possible. So we're waiting for Siosi to do that and buy that for us. And as I was editing, our fellow YouTuber Sarah messaged me, Wade and Sarah, asking what we're doing tonight. So we might meet up with them, but we still need to go and visit Siosi's cousins because we didn't get around to it yesterday. We were just so exhausted from walking around everywhere at the zoo. Siosi's taking so long because he's watching Paul Gallen and Junior Paolo. Go Junior! I told Siosi to wear something different because he's been wearing it a few days in a row now, but he loves the way that it makes his arms look big. So whatever. We came to do a little bit of shopping for me because Siosi promised that I would get to do some shopping for myself. Didn't you, honey?
Yeah. So close.
We're in Cranbourne, but everything's shutting down. And I love me some Target. Yeah. It's like a better version of Kmart. We're here at Siosi's cousin's house, but it looks like no one's here. But we just uploaded our video, the one that I titled Hater Fans Want My Man, and we've just gotten so much love from you guys. I'm so grateful that you guys are on my side. And just thank you for your support and your love. You guys are so awesome. We just cannot believe the growth of our channel in the past couple of weeks, to be honest. It's shocking both of us, but we just want to say thank you and we really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much. Thanks for coming along with us and just your awesome love. I can see him like smirking over there. What's he doing? Hello, you just gonna leave me here in the car? Oh, he's telling me to come in. So we stopped off for a bit at Woolworths petrol station. We came to fill up our car and Siosi needs to go to the bathroom. As do I. We're still waiting for Wade and Sarah to respond because we spent a bit of time going around and seeing Siosi's family. So yes, honey. And Wade and Sarah invited us to dinner, so we're hoping that it's not too late because we really did want to meet them. Siosi really wanted to see them. Bakun Mela. Rewards card.
You go on after.
Aye.
Hey, you go.
What a loser. Alright, I gotta go pay for the car. Where are you going?
Go in Hungry Jack.
He's going to go to use Hungry Jack's toilet. But we'll see, guys. We're still waiting for them to respond because it might be too late. We did leave it a bit late. But we've still got, I mean, if they don't, we've got a bit to travel back home, so
Sorry, sir. I just want to meet you and your husband.
Continue on M420 for 1.5 kilometers.
It's too late. Sorry about that. We'll meet you next time.
yeah.
What about tomorrow?
No, baby, we're going home tomorrow
What time?
in the morning.
Oh, okay. Janet.
We just left CLC's cousin's house, and guess where we are? A little holiday can't separate me from Coles. I think it's about to close, honey. But we came to get some last minute things because we want to cook some dinner and use our kitchen one last time. Honey, you haven't seen them all day.
Hi everyone, we come here
Hold
to
it.
Coles to buy something to eat tonight. We go back to the.
We might get some pasta,
apartment.
honey.
Pasta. And we eat at Coles.
Gonna get some grapes or no? $7.50 a kilo. No.
Buy a little bit.
Well,
Right? Yeah, I'm so fruits.
I feel like some fruits. Yossi's just making us eat carbs all day.
No, you just eat your fruit and I eat the chicken.
Yeah, boy.
It's 11 o'clock, everyone's still awake and walking around in the city. Look, it's so nice. Everyone's still walking, trucks everywhere. And the tram's still working. Yeah, Athens.
Your destination is on the
So
left.
full. We here at the apartment.
We should. Take my strong hand. Hey guys, so we're finally home. We didn't end up meeting with Wade and Sarah because it was a quite short notice, as I did say. So we basically spent the night at one of Siosi's other cousins who kept us company because Siosi didn't want to come back to the hotel and just sit around. But we just want to thank you guys for all of the support that we've gotten since we uploaded the video titled Hater Fans Want My Man. We just want to thank all of our supporters out there. We've realized that we have more supporters than haters, and after we uploaded the video, like, a few people still wrote some, you know, silly, immature comments, but we just realized that we can't please everyone. We can't be everyone's friend, and not everyone's going to like us, but we'll have some challenges along the way, and we're going to have some enemies. We're going to have people that don't like us, but we just have to deal with it. The Bible says that God prepares a table before our enemies. It's biblical. Your enemies have to be there to watch your success, to watch you succeed. So if there's no enemies, you've got no success. You've got to have those bumps along the way. So we thank our haters because they drive us to become better and drive us to be better. And we just want to thank you guys. We send love to you guys.
Only supporters. I love all supporters, but all haters, I'm not loving.
Yeah. Well, anyways, it doesn't matter. We just thank you for watching our channel and just giving us a little bit more exposure. That's all you're good for if you're just going to hate. But we just want to say God bless you guys. Everyone, thank you for coming along with us. We head back home to Canberra tomorrow at about
11.
Yeah, we check out by 11, but we might leave a little bit more earlier to try and beat the traffic. So Might go to the beach as well with some of Ciosi's family before we head off. But
It's too late.
yeah, we're not sure. So we'll see. But you guys will come along with us tomorrow on our way home. And we'll see you. Bye. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
If you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.